I'm Dr. Jaydeyn Thomas. I am the curator here at the Bass Strait Maritime Centre, and we have worked with 8 different museums to put together a travelling exhibition called Bass Strait, Above, Below and In Between. So putting together a travelling exhibition from one venue can be quite difficult because you're pulling together different stories and objects and putting them out into the world. When you have multiple venues with multiple different kinds of venues, so volunteer run and then there's staff run, it can be quite difficult to, well, herd cats, to bring them all together into the one environment and actually have the discussions and bring the materials together. It's something that couldn't really have happened without the Roving Curator program. Now, the idea was that I've never actually put together a travelling exhibition before, and I had a model in mind, but having a model and actually having the experience to put something like this together are very different things. The Roving Curators would help us to structure the whole process. So they would guide us through each step of the process to go from we have an idea to here's an exhibition actually being shown in a venue. And not only that, the Roving Curators were able to deliver a lot of professional development workshops, and all of the participating museums were able to hook into that and build some skills, particularly for the volunteer-run organisations, where they might not have had the chance previously. We started off with basic object handling, storage, environmental conditions. We looked at minor conservation work. We looked at how to create and revise a significance assessment, which is of course a really important document for all museums. And we looked at the actual process of touring exhibitions and the paperwork, and it's quite a bit of background paperwork that goes with that, and developing that into something that becomes the exhibition that goes out. Without the Roving Curators, the timing of it, even with the big delays in COVID, the timing of it it probably wouldn't have happened. I think the model that we're using of a group of organisations as directed by the Roving Curators means that you're able to get bigger bang for your buck. You're able to bring together more things and have more resources than you might do if you're going it alone. And I think particularly the Roving Curator program in Tasmania is a wonderful example of how professional support makes all of us professionals better.